Right guys, let's jump inside this fantastic GWM H5. What do we have on the interior? We have a 6-speed gearbox which is going to help with highway economy. We have a well-appointed sound system with an easy to read display. There is also a fully automatic climate control, again with easy to use functions. Above the dashboard there's a funky little display that shows you your altitude, barometric pressure and your compass bearing. Guys, if you are on a budget looking for an SUV, you have to include this on your list of options.